Ebitabo ebi nibyo kwegesibwa abaana okuruga kibiina ky'okubanza okutaha kyakana omu mashomero ga primary aga gavumenti omu district ya Kyenjojo yona.
District etungire ebitabo mu kitongole kya USAID ebikwingana emitwalo 48,878 ebitugenda gaba mu masomero gona ga Kyenjojo 128. Buli somero ndija kutungaho ebitabo kuruga kitabo ky'okubanza k'ekitebe kyakana. Buli mwana ajja kuba omugisa gw'okwata kitabo omugisa araba n'amugisa. Omugaso gwa kino nigwo abaana kwega kusoma n'okuhandiika bakyali bato beega olulimi lwabo olw'enzaalo kandi beega olulimi lwabo olungereza.
Christopher Naija okuruga mu USAID najja ntwakomera kugaba ebitabo konka bitu nguno batendeka n'abegesa aha kushoma n'okuhandiika.
Nikiyamba amasomero 128 ga Kyenjojo nikituyamba mu miringo enyingi. Omulingo gw'okubanza nikitendeka abasomesa baitu from ekitebe ky'okubanza ekitebe kyakana okutunga obukugu bw'okwegesa abaana mu kusoma n'okuhandiika. Kandi omulamu guno nigwendera kimu mu myaka 5 omwana wa Kyenjojo aba yegere kusoma n'okuhandiika akyali muto.
We have been in the field. You have seen how the program is running on. We received even visitors last month. We went with them in the field. They are appreciating, and I want to assure you that with these books, we shall continue doing the good work the way we have been doing it.
Perus Charugonza orukoranga mukuru w'ebibwegesa bwa Kyenjojo anahirira rukushaba amashomero okulinda ebitabo ebi.
The number, I'm very sure all the learners are going to be reached, and these books are in safe custody in schools because we have those metallic boxes where we are keeping them, and the teachers are well trained. They know how to put the books in the hands of the learners. So we appreciate and we pray and we promise that we shall continue working with you, and together as a team we shall continue achieving more.
Kandi wesenku Samuel Kimuri omuhezi wa mukuru w'abakozi ba Kyenjojo kandi wayakira ebitabo ebi ayorukire kusiima.
When a child learns to read, he is able to do all the subjects, English, mathematics, and science. He can able to do all the subjects because he is able to read the question and understands it. We don't take this support for granted. Really appreciate and we thank you for the support.
And niyo ninkole nungi ngumwaka guhire mbizamu tukakora kurungi muno ka Kyenjojo nabwo cyo ntwarumisa gukusima nabasomesa baitu bona na department yona ya education mwebale kukora kurungi.
Kyenjojo kaberi emwe a district zakirizo yo kuhinguza abana bingi omwidari ya kabiri ninga second grade. Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.